I'm Marcin Bożyczko and I am a marketing specialist in Opegieka, a Polish geoinformatics company that strives for exerting a real impact on the directions of development in the geospatial intelligence industry, responding to the needs of business, administration and society. We specialize in simultaneous airborne acquisition of topographic and bathymetric point clouds, photogrammetric imaging, as well as subsequent processing of the imaging into 2D and 3D products. What makes us unique on the market is being highly focused on research and development projects in sake of making the data processing more effective and automated. We achieved that goal by successful use of the combination of machine learning algorithms and capacity of our own data center. Employing over 120 specialists, having our own aircraft fleet, the state-of-the-art sensors and 30 years of market experience enables us to deliver our services effectively across whole Europe.